Hello students, welcome back in EVS class. So we are doing lesson number 3 and today we will do page number 26 of lesson number 3, My Family. Let's start reading from indoor and outdoor games. We all play games to keep ourselves fit and healthy. The games which we play inside our homes are called indoor games. Chess, carom, ludo are examples of indoor games. Yes, children, the games which we play inside our home, like now these days due to coronavirus, you are sitting at home, you are studying from home, you are doing indoor study and indoor games you are playing. That indoor games includes chess, carom, ludo, etc. and many more other games. Next, the games which we play outside our homes are called outdoor games. These are cricket, hockey, football are examples of outdoor games. Yes, the games which we play outside the home, that all are called outdoor games. In outdoor games, cricket, football, hockey and many more other games are also included. Now next is one activity time. Here one question is written. Name an indoor game you like to play. Children, you will note down your own favorite game, indoor game name which you like to play. And next is name an outdoor game you like to play. Write here one outdoor game which you like to play. Next is care of pets. We should also take care of pets. We should keep their shelters clean. We should provide them with food and water. We should be kind to them. Pets are also a part of our family. Yes, students, here it is written that how should we take care of pets? Means some people are fond of having the dogs, parrots, cats to keep as a pet at home. So we must take care of these pets. How can we take care of these pets? We should keep their shelter always clean and we must provide them food and water on a time and be kind to them. Don't beat them. Always love your pets because those pets are also a family member. Next, differently abled people. There are some people in this world who cannot hear, see, or speak. Sometimes some of their body parts may not function properly. They are called differently abled people. But differently abled people are those people, those who cannot see, cannot hear, cannot speak. So, all people, those who cannot speak, hear, or see, they are called differently abled people. So, children, we must kind towards these people. We should not laugh at them. We should always be helpful for them. Differently abled people are just like us. We must be kind to them and not make fun of them. We should help them in their work. We should show our love and respect for the old people. We should take special care of sick people. Yes, the differently abled people, they are just like us, but we must be kind to them, and we should not make fun of them because they always help in their work. And we should always love and respect these old people like your grandparents, your uncle, aunt. Maybe they are old in age, so you should always love and respect them. And you should take care of the sick people. If some of the people are sick at your home, you should take care of them, give the medicine and food at time. Many malls and buildings have ramps for wheelchair bound people. Special computers are being made with speakers for the visually challenged students. Delhi Doordarshan has special news channels for those who cannot hear and speak properly. Such user friendly facilities go a long way in making these people independent. Yes, children, government is giving too many facilities to the disabled people, and those are handicapped. So many of the malls and buildings are having ramps. Ramps are used and because we can take the wheelchair very easily. On the wheelchair, the physically handicapped or the differently able people can take the wheelchair and can go easily in that malls or buildings. So special computers are also made. Those are not able to listen or hear. For them, special speakers are installed. And Delhi Doordarshan has special news channel for that people, those who cannot hear and speak. For them, the news are entertained with a special language. So such user friendly facilities go a long way in making these people independent. So is there any member in your family who cannot see, hear or speak? How do you people help them in their work? Yes, students, now it's your own duty that if there is any disabled people in your family member, then how you should take care of them. It's your duty that you must give them medicine at time. If they demand anything, then you should understand them at that time and provide them everything on time. See in this box, beta, here two examples are given of the two people. These are Helen Keller, was a remarkable lady who was unable to see, hear or speak. She learned to read Braille script with her sense of touch. Yes, Helen Keller was a lady that she was not able to see, hear or speak, but she learned Braille script. Braille script is one of the script. With the help of Braille script, those are not able to listen, speak and see, they can touch the Braille script and they can understand what is written in the Braille script. And next, Sudha Chandran, a famous dancer. She lost a leg in a road accident. Her love for dance gave her the courage to dance on her artificial leg. Yes, she was a renowned person that she was not having her natural leg, but she was having artificial leg. So with the help of artificial leg, she became a famous dancer. So you must learn the lesson from these people that you should thankful to your God that you are having your all the body parts are working very well, and you must do something for that people those are not able to see, listen and hear. Okay, So now beta, your third chapter is also completed. Now it's your homework that you will try to find out the question answers of this chapter yourself. Okay children, so take care. Bye bye.